Let me be honest with you. If your business is not making sale, then what you really have is just a hobby with packaging. And in 2025, nobody is clapping for hobbies anymore. So today, I want to show you simple practical steps to move your business from God when to God did. Now, before you start panicking, relax. This is not rocket science. As a matter of fact, it's easier than you think. So let's take it step by step. I'll show you how all the pieces connect like a sales puzzle you've been missing. Imagine this. You open a beautiful shop in Lagos. You buy stock Fulham, decorate the space, even hang balloons on opening day, but you forget to put a signboard outside. No one even knows your shop exists. That's exactly how so many businesses operate online. If people can't find you on Google, you are basically hiding from money. That's why the very first foundation I usually recommend to my clients is setting up their Google My Business profile. It's free, it's simple, and it's the difference between being invisible and popping up when someone types bakery near me or carpenter in Surulere. So you see why that's very important. Visibility is not just luxury. Visibility is survival. Okay, now let's move on. You are visible. Customers can see you, but can they actually buy? If you are in Lagos, we have platforms like Jumia, Konga, and of course, Jiji. These are like massive shopping malls online. And the good thing is millions of people already pass through their corridors every single day. You don't need to stress yourself over traffic. You just need to place your product where eyes are already looking. Now, if you are outside Lagos, don't worry. Jiji works everywhere. Whether you are selling sneakers in Ibadan or electronics in Enugu, Jiji is like your open market where serious buyers are hunting for what you have. Don't worry, everything I mentioned in this video, the link to how you can get started with each of them is right in the description below. So you have nothing to bother about. All you have to do is to make sure you don't ignore any of them because they are not old school. In fact, when you get started with them is what we call smart school. Now let me expand your vision a little more. Earning in Naira is sweet, but what about earning in dollars? What about pounds? What about euros? These currencies don't bite, my friend. That's where platforms like Amazon and eBay comes in. They allow you to showcase your product internationally. Maybe you are selling African print, handmade crafts, digital items, or even a palm oil. Someone in London or in New York might be ready to pay triple the price you are charging here. So why limit yourself when the world is already connected? It's like cooking jollof rice. If you only serve it in your kitchen, only your family will enjoy it. But when you bring it outside for everyone to see, suddenly the whole street is begging for a plate of it. Now, here is where things get exciting. Let's say you have listed your product, you are visible, you are on marketplaces. But how do you scale? How do you move from 10 customers a month to 100? That's exactly where ads come in. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google. These platforms are literally designed to put your business in front of the exact people who need it. Instead of waiting for random chance, you are targeting like a sniper. And the best part is that you don't even need millions. Even a few thousand naira can get your ad in front of thousands of potential customers. It's like putting a megaphone in your hand. Suddenly, your small voice becomes loud, sharp, and impossible to ignore. If you've never tried ads before, this might feel intimidating. But trust me, it's a game changer. If you want, I can even drop a full course on how to run ads that don't just get likes, but actually bring sales. If that's something you would like, let me know right in the comment section below. Now let's be real. Every serious business eventually has to level up. Marketplaces are great, ads are powerful, but the real flex is owning your own digital home. That's where a professional website comes in. Not just any website, but one that makes people trust you instantly. Add a proper marketing plan tailored to your brand, and suddenly you are no longer just hustling, you are building an empire. Think about the big players you admire. Do they just rely on Instagram or Jumia? Absolutely no. They control their own platform, their own audience, and their own systems. That's the blueprint. Even if you are small now, start preparing for that stage, because when the traffic comes, you need a proper place to host it. So let's connect the dots. First, you show up on Google. Then you place your goods where buyers already are. You expand globally. You amplify with art. And finally, you build your own platform to play in the big leagues. That's the flow. That's the game. And if you follow it, I promise you, your business won't just survive. It will grow, scale, and shock even you. Now let me ask you, which step are you currently on? Are you still invincible or are you already thinking global? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's gist. If this video opened your eyes, don't just click away. Hit the like button, subscribe for more business growth tips, and share this with someone whose hustle deserves to shine. Your business can grow. Your business should grow. The only question is, will you take action? The ball is in your court. Anyways, whatever you do, never stop making money.